Good morning, students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. Now I am going to discuss that 5th September first shift questions. So 11 questions already completed. Now I am going to discuss the 12th question. The common tangent of curves x square is equal to 4y and y square is equal to 4x also touches the curve x square plus y square is equal to c square. Then c is equal. So common tangent to the two parabolas and one circle also. Now here observe that first I am writing one parabola, y square is equal to 4x. Then what is a value? A value is 1. What is the equation of tangent in slope form? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. So no, this is y is equal to mx plus a value is 1 by m. Now this is a tangent. This tangent is again meet the curve x square plus 4y. So here also this is in the form of x square is equal to 4ay, a is equal to 1. Y is equal to mx plus c is tangent to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay means what is the shortcut formula? C is equal to minus am square. What is c value? Observe the first equation. C is 1 by m. A value is 1. And m square, slope is m. We get m square. Now finally, m cube, that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 means we can write minus 1 whole cube. Then finally, what is m value? M value is minus 1. So these values substitute in equation 1. What we get? Y is equal to minus x 1 by m, 1 by minus 1, that is minus 1. So finally see this, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is tangent to the circle. What is circle equation? X square plus y square, that is equal to c square. What is the center of the circle here? 0, 0. And radius is c. Now, the line touch the circle means what is the condition? D is equal to R. D means perpendicular distance from center to the line. R is the radius. Apply the formula. Modulus of 0 plus 1 divided by under root 1 plus 1, that is equal to C, radius. Now observe this, finally the C value is 1 by root 2. So here this is a mixed conceptual question, two parabolas and one circle given. Students, all of you understood now? I'm going to 13th question. If distance between the lines is 1 by root 5. First write the first line, 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Observe the second line. I'm going to take the 2 common. We get 2x minus y plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. That means these two lines are parallel. Distance between parallel lines formula, we know that. Another two equations, observe that 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, I'm going to take common 3. 2x minus y plus beta by 3 is equal to 0. These two also parallel. Distance between parallel lines, what is the formula? Modulus C1 minus C2 by under root a square plus b square or not? Already given distance, Distance between first two lines 1 by root 5 modulus C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1 alpha by 2 minus 3 divided by under root 2 square 4 plus 1. These two cancel or not? So remaining what we get, that is alpha by 2 minus 3, that is equal to plus or minus 1, because if we are removed modulus, we are like that. So alpha minus 6 is equal to plus or minus 2. Now take here first positive. Positive you are taken means alpha value is 8. Negative you are taken means alpha value is 4. Okay. Now go to the second one. Distance between these two parallel lines already given 2 by root 5, that is equal to modulus beta by 3 minus 2 divided by under root 4 plus 1. This root 5 cancel. Remove the modulus beta by 3 minus 2, that is equal to plus or minus 2. Now this is beta minus 6. I am taken LCM and 3 send right hand side. You will get plus or minus 6. If you are taken positive, beta value is 12. If you are taken negative, beta value 0. Now they are asking alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. Take that one by one. What we get? What we get? Alpha value is 8. 1 second. Here see that small correction. 3. 3 is there now. Here also 3. Here 9. Now what is beta and beta values? See here minus 9 we are sending that side means plus 9. We get 15. And if you are taken minus, you get 3. These are the beta values. Now alpha value is 8 comma 4. Then what is alpha plus beta? Is equal to, I am taken 8 here alpha, beta is 15. How much? 23. Yes, here is there. For suppose I am taken alpha value is 8 and change the beta value. Beta value I am taken 3. 8 plus 3, 11. This is not there in options. Now alpha value is 4, beta value is 15. This is 19. This is also not there in options. 4 plus 3, 7. This is also not there. Okay. Here we are getting 4 chances. Finally, alpha plus beta value is 23. This is also easy question, but here we are getting 4 cases. That is we want to observe. 14th question. If A comma B comma is the image of the point 1, 2, minus 3 in the line. This is the line. Now here on point is a 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. Okay. Now, so this is a line. Draw that parallel to level ground like this. This is the image. Image. These two are perpendicular. Image is A comma B comma C. This vector equation of the line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. Now this point we can find. This is a midpoint of both now. How to find? Tell me. So these 3 values is equal to, take lambda. Now first and last compare. X is equal to 2 lambda minus 1. Then what is y? Y is equal to minus 2 lambda plus 3. Okay. Then what is z? Z is equal to minus lambda. So this is a P for suppose. This is Q. This is R. R is midpoint of PQ. So this is, I am taking the R, 2 lambda minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3 comma minus lambda. This is R value. Now here observe that drs of this line 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. Now these two perpendicular. What is drs of PR? Drs of PR. What is the formula? x2 minus x1. 2 lambda minus 1 minus 1. We get 2 lambda minus 2 comma minus 2 lambda plus 3 minus 2. We get minus 2 lambda plus 1 comma minus lambda minus of minus plus 3. Now drs of line is what they are given, 2 minus 2 minus 1. These two perpendicular now. So two lines are perpendicular means now what is the formula? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0 or not? Now here 2 into 2 lambda minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 1 into minus lambda plus 3, that is equal to 0. Two lines are perpendicular means, so we get like this. Now calculate here, 2 into 2, 4 lambda, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 8 lambda, minus into minus plus 9 lambda. This is minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9. 9 lambda minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 lambda is equal to 9. So lambda value is 1. This lambda value substitute here, we get R value. Lambda is 1 means here we get 1. Next here also 1. Next minus 1. Here R is midpoint of PQ. So R is equal to P plus Q divided by 2. In this case, what is Q? Tell me. Q is equal to 2R minus P. Okay. Q is equal to 2R. This is a R. Multiply with 2. We get 2 minus 2. Minus. What is P? 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. Subtract what we get. 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 plus 3, 1. These are A comma B comma C. Then find what is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now I am going to 15th question. See this. Integration related problem. Integration e power 2x plus 2e power x minus e power minus x minus 1 into e power x plus e power minus x dx is equal to g of x into e power x plus e power minus x plus c. Then the value of g of 0. Here we need to find g of x function. Do that differentiate on both sides. What happened? Left hand side integration derivative is going to cancel. We get e power 2x plus 2 into e power x. That is I am writing e power x plus e power x minus e power minus x minus 1 into e power x plus e power minus x. That is equal to, here two functions are there. Apply that UV rule. G of x is constant. Now derivative of e power x plus e power minus x, that is internal derivative. E power x derivative is e power x. E power x minus derivative is minus e power minus x. Plus here e power x into, sorry, plus e power minus x constant. G of x derivative is g dash of x. Now see, if you are taken common, this term is going to cancel. Take common in right hand side and cancel it. Then remaining term, observe that what happened. Now here, this is e power x plus e power x plus. I am written 2 times. This is, we can write e power x only. Now in these two are, go to another method, e power 2x, e power 2x plus 2e power x minus e power minus x. Minus 1 means, that is I am writing e power x into e power minus x. Okay, that is equal to g of x e power x minus e power minus x plus g dash of x. Now right hand side, observe that in left hand side also we want to calculate same like that. Now in these two terms, first and last, what we have to take common? E power x. Remaining is e power x minus e power minus x. Okay, plus here 2 e power x is there, right? 1 e power x minus e power minus x plus 1 more e power x, because 2 now, these two 1 unit. Now this is same. Next, observe this. Here common is e power x minus e power minus x common. Remaining is e power x plus 1 plus e power x is equal to g of x into e power x minus e power minus x plus g dash of x. See, these two are same. Now compare that, these two and these two equal. Here g of x is equal to e power x plus 1. Then what is g dash of x? E power x or not? Right. What they are asking now? G of 0, I think. See the question here. G of 0. Substitute here. E power 0 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1. Answer 2. So this is somewhat difficult because calculations are there. Okay. Next, I am going to another question. See this, 16th one. If 3 power 2 sine 2 theta minus 1, comma 14, comma 3 power 4 minus 2 sine 2 theta are first 3 terms of an AP for some theta, then 6th term of AP is